Hey guys! I've been testing several best bridge cameras lately, and today I'm sharing the winners with you. Let's explore why these are the ones to watch. Product number 1. KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 20MP digital camera. Our journey begins with a highly praised unit that sets a massive benchmark for the rest. I am talking about the KODAK PIXPRO AZ405 20MP digital camera. It boasts an incredibly rugged yet sophisticated exterior frame that is built to withstand massive amounts of pressure. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. One of my favorite aspects is the sheer simplicity of its interface, brilliantly masking the sophisticated technology underneath. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. Product number 2. KODAK PIXPRO AZ5 2816MP digital camera. Continuing our countdown, I have a highly reliable product that consistently exceeds expectations. I am talking about the KODAK PIXPRO AZ5 2816MP digital camera. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 3. NIkon COOLPIX P950 Superzoom digital camera. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the NIkon COOLPIX P950 Superzoom digital camera. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. Performance-wise, it is an absolute powerhouse that refuses to buckle under pressure, featuring a streamlined interface. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 4. Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D Point and Shoot Digital. Sliding into the next spot is a wonderfully crafted device that you are going to love. I am talking about the Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D Point and Shoot Digital. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. Navigating its advanced features feels surprisingly natural and completely seamless right from day one. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. I strongly encourage you to consider picking this up, as it will undoubtedly transform your experience. Product number 5. NIkon COOLPIX P1100 Superzoom digital camera. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the NIkon COOLPIX P1100 Superzoom digital camera. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. Evaluating its day-to-day usability, it acts as a massive productivity booster thanks to its highly intuitive internal mechanics. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. Engineered for ultimate stamina, it effortlessly keeps up with your continuously evolving and demanding everyday needs. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Hopefully, you now have a better idea of which product to choose. Don't forget to check the links in the description and subscribe.